Hi, my name's Donna and today I'm going to be making leek, cheddar cheese and lemon risotto. First things we're going to do is get all our ingredients ready. We have a white onion today, just going to cut this end off and I'll cut through the middle and then you can peel. Next we have our lemon, and we're going to juice it. If you've got a juicer, just slice in half and juice, but I haven't. It's easy if you roll your lemon along the work surface and get more juice out, it softens it. And then cut in half. Crush our garlic. If you've got a garlic crusher, just put it in the garlic crusher, crush it, but I haven't, so squash my garlic, cloves, in a non-stick pan I'm melting my butter on a medium heat. When it starts to froth and it's all melted, you can then add your onions and garlic. You can see it's just starting to froth now, and then the onions. And the garlic. And then I'm going to cook this on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. I don't want any colour, I just want to soften them. When it starts to colour, turn the heat down. And I'm going to soften these for around 5 minutes. I've been cooking my leeks for around 5 minutes. As you can see, there's no colour, they're just softened. Now I'm going to add my rice. And I want to coat my rice with all the butter. Every piece needs to be coated with butter. And just keep moving it around. Now it's time to start adding our stock. This is a very slow process. We add 1 ladle of hot stock to the rice at a time, stirring often. Once that ladle of stock has been absorbed, we then add another. So I'm going to add a ladle of stock, which just needs to be kept hot. You see all the stock's gone now. So I'm going to add another ladle of hot stock. It's important to keep your hot stock nice and hot. And we're just going to stir and wait till all that stock has been absorbed by the rice. Just continue until all your stock has been used up. As you can see, the risotto's cooked. I've used all my stock, the rice is cooked. Now I'm going to add my cheese. Give that a good stir in. Make sure the cheese is all melted. I'm going to make lemon juice. I'm not going to add it all, I'm just going to add it to taste.